Hi Glowgetters, it's Natalia Barlow here and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you all how to simplify your life by creating a smoky eye in 3 simple steps. So let's get started. The first product that we're going to use today is a black kohl liner. Now there are different types of eyeliners that you can use. Of course there is liquid and there are different types of pencils, but I prefer a pencil kohl liner because it is super blendable. It also continues to blend as the day goes on, so it becomes even more smoky, a little bit more grungy, but if you're not a fan of that, of course you can set it with powder. I absolutely love the lived-in feel that makeup has over time, so kohl liners are the way to go when it comes to my smoky eyes. So the second product that we're going to use today are going to be brown eyeshadows. The first choice, which is what I'm going to use today, will be Brun by MAC. You also have espresso, and then up here is a little bit of charcoal brown. So 1, depending on your skin tone, and then 2, depending on your comfort level, choose between these 3 and you'll find your perfect match. If you can't tell, the third product that we're going to use today is actually a tool that I use for a lot of different things, and you'll probably see that on this channel quite a bit, and it's a Q-tip. So the kohl liner that I'm going to use today is also by MAC, and this shade is in Smolder. You can go with Feline, which is a little bit darker, but Smolder works just fine for me. And we're going to line the rim of our eye, and with the Q-tip, we're going to create our shape. That's the trick. So looking down into your compact with your closed eye, begin to line the eye. And that's why it doesn't matter how perfectly you apply the actual kohl pencil, because you're going to smudge it out anyway. And then the more you get towards the outer edges, you twist the Q-tip to a clean area so you can start to smoke and blend. See what we're doing there? Smoke and blend. And with this outer corner, I'm going to drag it out and pull it in. And then we're going to do the same on our lower lash line. And it doesn't hurt to have quite a few Q-tips on hand to simplify your life with the blending process. So with the last step, we're going to go in with a clean Q-tip, and whichever brown you choose, I'm going in with Brun, and we're going to go over the edges of our smoke. Just smudge, smudge, smudge all along the edges. Now we're going to add mascara. And please go heavy on your mascara. So this is how you get a smoky eye in 3 simple steps. Now, please keep in mind that it will take practice. Everything that I share with you all on this channel will require you to practice more than once. You may not get it on the first time, but if you do, awesome. If you don't, awesome. Just make it your own. Have fun with it, because trust me, it took me quite a few tries to get it to be as it looks for you today. It did not happen overnight, so don't think that, okay? But I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but also comment down below, would you try out this look? Will you be more of a brown smoky eye gal? Are you more of a winged eyeliner smoky eye gal? Let me know. I'm curious to know, my dear. So leave that in a comment down below, but always remember that the glow begins with confidence from within. Glow up, glow on, because you glow, girl. Until next time, ciao.